Hey Taylor, what's my name?
I'm Rachel.
And what's your name?
I'm Taylor.
And what's Daddy's name?
I'm Jason.
Did you have fun with your friends last night? Yeah. What's your brother's name?
Yeah, Jason.
I am.
I call him Jason.
What'd you do last night? Did you go downstairs and play with your friends? Yeah. And what's your brother? Who's your best friend?
My best friend. Jackie, my best friend.
Yeah. Where's Justin?
I'm downstairs.
Is he downstairs? I think he's in his room.
And what's your puppy's name?
I'm Buddhist.
Yeah.
Is it?
He's a good puppy, right? Did you have fun last night?
Yeah, nice puppy.
Yeah. What'd you do last night?
I'm playing with my friends.
Yeah.
I can't play with my friends. Go up there and play with you
Yeah. You're good.
and come on your web and sleep downstairs in the basement.
Did you all sleep together with your
I
friends?
sleep with all my friends downstairs
Yeah.
in our house.
Yeah. Is she your good friend? Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Who's that?
It is Jumbo.